Hi everybody, how's everything going on? Welcome back to the Learn and Earn channel. Today I'm going to tell you some important information about sentiment analysis. I guess you have heard sometime somewhere about this sentiment analysis. I'm going to tell you in several videos what it is and where you can use it in order to take profit from the sentiment analysis in cryptocurrency markets, and also it's being used in many other fields and science in order to have enough information about the what do people know and how do they think, and after gathering these the result is what they are gonna do. So you see, it's very important issue to figure out what it is talking about. So let's go on it. The sentiment analysis, this is where your emotions when you answer the question that how do you feel about, for example, crypto market, cryptocurrency peers comes into existence. And for example, what kind of answers we can give to these questions? Fearful, maybe you're greedy, maybe something between fearful and greedy, or whatever relating to your emotion at the exact moment that the question is being asked. All these emotions play roles in how and why you invest in crypto markets. Although you may know the technical or fundamental analysis while answering this question, but some of the times these emotions play their special role in your actions. I mean, sometimes it doesn't matter what does technical or fundamental analysis tell you what to do. You do something related to your emotions. You know, all of us have experienced this kind of feelings, and it's very important issue, because if we can predict something before happening, then we can talk in a louder voice. So you should know that most of the times those emotions make the market to move upward, to move downward, and they sometimes make great price volatilities, and that can make some other opportunities to take profit of, because the change in price is the only thing that a trader needs to predict and take an action in order to take profit. If you have the ability to know the emotions of the other people also and your own ones, then you're some steps forward than the others. I'm gonna tell you everything important about the sentiment analysis and let you know that how it works, and some tools, some special tools that you're gonna need to use them and try to predict the next pump or dump in the prices. At first, some of the terms and conditions that this kind of analysis you may know and you may need to know about is very important. From the time that the mankind started to write down what he says, the sentiment analysis came into existence. I mean, a kind of sentiment analysis came to existence, but at about 1950s became a separate official branch of studies, which is very important for you to know. And recently, and with the rising up the image of the social media, there is an enormous number of scientists which they all care about sentiment analysis. At first they used it to find out how do the people think about the politicians and politics behaviors relating to their words given to the voters before the elections. I mean, every single part of those words that any individual voter says about a case multiplied to the number of the groups and the communities in all of the social network platforms. So you see, the numbers are growing up. Nowadays, we have hundreds of the platforms which are consisted of thousands of the topics, which is consisted of millions of people, individual people, which are trying to write down their what do they think, their emotions. So it's very enormous number. While going forward, I will tell you what do they do, why they need these data, and what do they do about these data. These are just the examples and pioneers of the sentiment analysis. After that, they use it for the online stores platforms such as Amazon. Amazon is the first online store which allowed people, the customers, to leave their responses and reviews in public in their websites, and they responded to their feedbacks also. So it's a two-way road, and people write down their needs, their words, and the Amazon, for example, responds to it. So you need someone to read them first. And nowadays it's so much improved as a professional customer support team, as you know they have in Amazon, eBay, and most of the great companies are doing good in that. Then Amazon used the sentimental analysis tools, classify the every single individual comment automatically. These were for early years 2000. At about 2010, the sentiment analysis broke into marketing fields, and by advancing these tools, it became so important and effective, so much reliable also. Okay, so what is sentiment analysis and how it works? First, I should tell you, sentiment analysis determines if an individual sentence is positive or if it's negative or neutral. These people make some scores. They score each word. They score the special words with positive or negative digits, for example, zero point 0.2, zero point 0.3, zero point 1, minus 10, minus 1, and whatever, to make a sum about the topic. Finally, they have some mathematical functions on these scores, and at last, in the result, they have a number between minus 1 and 1, or something between that. So there is an infinite range of 0 point numbers between minus 1 and 1. So in crypto, what makes the moves in price action? You know, price action itself is a very important issue that you need to know about it. Some of you know about it already, but I'm gonna make some more videos related to the price action. In my opinion, it's very important and it can help you so much in your ongoing trading interests. First, the emotions of the people come to place. The answer is this: why the crypto market price moves? At first, the emotion of the people come to place. How can we find out where are the emotions, where are the feelings of the people written down? It's so simple. Nowadays, you can find it in Twitter, Reddit, or famous social platforms. And at the second, the action of the people related to their emotions come to existence. So these tools show two important data about important markets. Some of them are for sale and some of them are very expensive, some of them are free. I mean the tools that you can use them in sentiment analysis. One of the indicators which is for free, it's fear and greed indicator. There are some data used to build up this indicator, such as, for example, the market volatility, second, trading volume, three, social media sentiments, the other is Bitcoin dominance they use in their function, and also the Google search trends. What do they have to do with the sentiment analysis or this fear and greed indicator? At the time that the volatility is going high, the trading volume comes down and it's low. At the same time, the social media sentiment comes to negative. And what happens to the Bitcoin dominance? If you know it, of course, it goes again high. The Google search trends come down, and the result is fear. Conversely, we can find out the same relation between these items. For example, while the volatility comes down, the trading volume goes up and the social media sentiment goes up. Of course, Bitcoin dominance comes down and Google search trends again rises up, and the result is greed. So this is enough for this time. Please let me know about your opinions, your emotions and sentiments. Please lay down some comments and make subscription and introduce this channel to your friends to motivate me make you more videos. Thank you for watching, and this sentiment analysis video will continue in next chapters. Have a nice time. Bye bye for now.